Hi, I'm doing a free giveaway on Kindle for my Crochet Hats for Beginners. A week or so ago, I did the Crochet for Beginners. I did it for free promotion. I'm starting this promotion starting today, Sunday, on the 15th until the end of Thursday, the 19th. On Kindle, you get it for free for those days. Once that promotion is over, it's $3.99 to buy. If you have Kindle Unlimited, it's $0. Crochet for Beginners is my other book, and it's $2.99 right now. $0 Kindle Unlimited, $10.99 paperback. Now, if you go to Crochet Hats, the link is down below, and the link is down below for both of them. It'll take you right to the Kindle book. This one I just have on Kindle. I didn't do it on paperback. Now, for the hats, there's many different types of hats in this book. If you haven't already gotten this book for free on Kindle in the past when I did some promotions on it, please leave a review. I'd really appreciate it. So this book talks about the basics of crocheting, but then it goes into many different written patterns of many different types of hats, like this Pokemon hat, this cute heart hat, this little sun hat, a bow hat. There's many different hats I've done over the years, and so I just wanted to create a Kindle book that created or had many of different type of hats that I've created over the years. Okay, so that's my promotion for this few weeks, or for this week until the end of Thursday, and the link is down below. And just like I said, just leave a review if you could, please. And any other promotions that I have are listed down below as well, like the crochet mugs and one of my crochet bags on my Etsy store. And then I also have the knit crate, and the promo is Jewel 20 if you want to get your first month 20% off. That's down below as well. Okay, so and I've done many different patterns in the last month that are new. Take a look at those as well. Thank you everybody for watching. Please be a subscriber and hit that notification bell to be notified for my latest videos.